Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. Today we're having a quick look and an unboxing of a Lavalier GO professional wearable microphone. Now this is to complement my wireless GO system by RØDE Wireless GO. Let's see if we can get this in shot. That's the other bit just dangling from the microphone stand at the moment. That's what I normally use and it's been fine. It's got a built-in microphone there, which, let's get it a little bit closer for you, works fine. Occasionally what I find though, when this is on my jacket, it may dip down and I lose the sound quality. So what I thought, go for the add-on. This one RØDE recommend. It's £53 from Amazon, so certainly not the cheapest, but made by RØDE GO microphone system seemed to be the choice I'd like to make, so that's what I've done. I've gone for that. It is just simply plug into the top. No switches, no bells or whistles, simply plug them into the top of the transmitter and you should be connected up and yeah, all hunky-dory. So we'll take this out the box. You might hear a few clicking and bumps because normally this is clipped to me. At the moment, as you can see, it's in mid-air. So let's open the box and see what we get in there. I'll say this is available from Amazon, £53. Not the cheapest, but I'm hopefully it's going to be one of the best. I'm going to rip that box now. I don't think there's any other way in, so hopefully this won't have to go back. I think I'm going to have to go to the knife situation. Here we go. Anyway, I'll get this out of the box and we'll put it on the desk and see exactly what we have got. Well, there you go. That's what's in the box. Get a little pouch, comes with it, so you can secure all these parts away if you need to, if you want to put them in the cupboard for a while. You get a clip that the microphone will mount to, that you clip to yourself. And the main thing is the microphone. Let's just bring that up into view there. It comes with a foam pop shield. Now that's removable. It simply slides off. It's a snug fit, so you're not going to lose it. There's the microphone itself. Very narrow, probably about 5mm across, so you'll be able to thread that through your jacket through buttonholes if need be. Then reattach a pop shield. That simply slides on. And there you go, that's reattached. And it's got a TRS cable on the end of it, or TRS plug I should say. Now that's tip, ring, sleeve. The end being the tip, the middle is the ring, and the bigger piece on the back is the sleeve. Tip, ring, sleeve. Now RØDE do another microphone very similar to this device. They call it the Smart Lav Plus. Now it's got a TRRS connector on it, which is directly meant to plug into smartphones and other such devices. So before you go ahead and buy one of these, make sure you've got the right connector for your device you actually want to connect it to. Now, as I want to connect it to this device, the RØDE Wireless GO, this is the reason I've chose this connector, because that's a direct fit in there. Now, the phone I'm recording the video on at the moment has got a conversion cable to take it. There's a TRRS on one end and a TRS on the other end to connect into this receiver. So just make sure you've got the right cables for your application. But what we'll do, we'll plug the microphone now into the transmitter and we'll play some royalty-free music, and just to see what the difference is, see how you feel. So we'll fire up the Google and we'll give that a go. Oh, there we go. We've got the transmitter on the left, we've got the Google on the right, so we'll play some royalty-free music directly to the transmitter. And we'll see what you think. Now we'll plug in the microphone straight into the transmitter. No switches, nothing to do. In you go and away you go. We'll put the foam cover over, position at a similar distance, and have another go on the Google. Now I can't tell if that's any clearer or better without reviewing the video, so I'll obviously do that, and maybe you can let me know if you think one's better than the other. Now the sound output was about the same, because on the receiver you get a bar graph as I speak. It'll either rise or fall, and compared to the transmitter on its own or the microphone plugged in, the output seemed very, very similar, which is what I would expect, to be honest. But let's get the microphone over here. As I say, you've got a foam cover for it. Now I've got Dead Cat here, which was a couple of pound off eBay, which if I'm in the garden, it's very windy, I may try to attach to the microphone, but it's not as tight fitting as the foam cover, as you'd probably expect. This wasn't made for the Rode, this was. Now there is a clip that comes with it to attach a microphone to, and obviously clip it to yourself. Apparently people have some difficulty in attaching the microphone to that. Basically slip off the foam hood, this spring here, pull them in sideways a little bit, and the microphone will just slide in like so. Let go of the clip and it's captured it very securely. Then of course you can reattach the foam cover, then clip the microphone to yourself, and you're away and running. So all in all, I think that should be quite a good addition. A little on the pricey side, but hopefully it's the same quality as the transmitter and receiver I got from Rode. But yeah, this microphone we've just looked at, clickety click, rubbing on the desk, so forgive me for that. That's a Lavalier GO professional grade wearable microphone. Got that from Amazon, £53 delivered. Rode do a similar microphone, the Rode Smart Lav Plus Lavalier microphone, but that's more for a smartphone because of the connectors I explained to you about. The tip ring sleeve or tip ring sleeve, TRRS or TRS. So make sure you know which device you're going to connect it to. Rode do a conversion cable, but ideally if you don't need a conversion cable, don't buy a conversion cable. Just have a look what you're working with, and you could save yourself a few pound. All the links will be in the description as usual to all the devices you've seen here online today. But yeah, anyhow, thanks for watching.